right, 24. Give the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that goes through this point and has a slope of -3. As soon as it says give the equation, I am automatically going to go to my point slope formula because the only thing I have to find is my slope. And they actually gave it to you right here. That's a -3. So who are the x sub 1 and the y sub 1? They're right here. There's your x sub 1. There's your y sub 1. So the x sub 1 is a 7. The y sub 1 is a 4. And all I got to do is distribute through and then clean it up. So I'm going to distribute through. -3x. -3 times -7 is plus 21. And now I'm going to move my 4 over. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Y equals -3x plus 25. And I have my answer. Not too difficult. That's slope-intercept form. It's perfect. Give the equation line in slope-intercept form that goes through these points. Well, as soon as it says give the equation, y minus y sub 1, slope times x minus x sub 1. I have to search for the slope here. No big deal. I have a point and a point. I want to know the slope of it, the steepness of that line. How do I do that? Slope, rise with the y's, run to the exit. Subtract your y's over subtract your x's. I'm going to do 6 minus 1. Since I went in that direction, I must continue in that direction with my x's. So 3 minus 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 4 is -1. So that's a -5 slope. So this slope is -5. X minus my x sub 1, y minus my y sub 1. Now, who do I want to use for the x sub 1, y sub 1? I can either use that point or this point. I'm going to go ahead and use 3, 6. 3 and y1, 6. Wouldn't matter. If I'd use the 4, 1, I'd get the same answer. Distribute through -5x plus 15. Add 6, add 6. Y equals -5x plus 21. 26, give the equation. Y minus y sub 1 slope times x minus x sub 1. I need the slope. This guy wants to be parallel to that line. Now, parallel means they're like that. Well, that means they have the same slope. So what is the slope of this line? The slope is 2. So we want a slope of, guess what? 2. X minus, there's your x sub 1. X minus a -3. That will change to a plus 3. And y minus the y sub 1 is a 6. So y minus 6 equals 2x plus 6. Add my 6, add my 6. 2x plus 12. And our final problem. Give the equation of the line. Y minus, as always. All I have to look for is the slope. I already have my x sub 1, y sub 1. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in there. Y sub 1 is a 16. X minus my x sub 1 is a 4. All I got to look for is my slope. Now, this time we want to be perpendicular. Remember, perpendicular means you want to, boom, you want to hit it right at 90 degrees. So this guy's going like that, and I want to come across it right there and form a 90-degree angle. Now, this guy has a slope of 2. So what am I going to be? Well, we remember to find the perpendicular slope. You take this guy's slope of 2 over 1, and you negate the reciprocal. It's the negated reciprocal. So I take 2 over 1 and flip it and negate it. So it's going to be -1/2. Excuse me. I distribute the -1/2 through. That gives me -1/2 x. -1/2 times -4 is positive 2 because half of 4 is 2. And a negative times negative is positive. And now I simply move my 16 over. Y equals a -1/2 x plus 18.